Logos. Equal housing opportunity, the international symbol of access. A man rests his arm on a window frame and stares out a large apartment window with a black roller shade. The apartment has white walls.
Okay, Josh.
The man looking out the window suddenly turns toward us.
More questions about shared living at Westerly House.
Josh gives 2 thumbs up.
Okay.
What would you want someone to know before they apply?
He walks around the bed across a wood-style floor. There is a ceiling fan light above the bed.
I would want someone to know that shared living at Westerly House is for everybody. From individual leases, furnished apartments, it's designed for flexibility, convenience, and community.
If someone wants to live with a friend, how would that work?
He walks into the bathroom across the wood-style floor. The bathroom has white walls.
Then we would have them apply and let us know that they wanted a friend.
He grabs a hand towel off the vanity sink and hangs it on a towel rack above the toilet.
They can request that at the time of their application.
And if someone applies on their own?
He opens the glass shower door and looks at the black tile walls inside, then shuts the door.
Then we would have them fill out our lifestyle survey, and we'd match them with someone based off of that. That's everything from your schedule, when you go to sleep, everything like that.
He turns toward the cabinet-style sink vanity and rests his hand on a black faucet handle. A mirror hangs above the vanity and a light hangs above the mirror.
How do the leases work?
Leases work on their own individual basis. You sign your own lease, and then you don't have to worry about anything else in the apartment at that agreed upon rate.
He turns on the faucet.
What if someone moves out of one of the units and empties a bedroom?
He walks out of the bathroom. All of the doors in the apartment are white with black hardware.
Then, no matter what, you still stay at the same rate. It doesn't matter if every other bedroom in the apartment is empty.
He walks into a bedroom with wood-style floors and white walls. A ceiling fan light hangs above the bed.
What parking options are available?
So we have an enclosed garage on site.
He arranges the edge of a blanket on the bed.
And we have parking available in that garage for a set fee at the time of application.
How often are shared spaces cleaned?
He walks around the bed past 2 tall narrow windows.
Shared spaces are cleaned monthly.
He straightens a water bottle on a nightstand next to the bed.
We also provide your own supplies, anything you need from toilet paper, paper towels, laundry detergent, everything once a month.
Oh, great. How does temperature control work?
He walks around the bed toward us.
Temperature control, every single unit has its own individual thermostat.
He stops by the door to the bedroom and puts his hand on the thermostat mounted on the wall.
You can set it to your own preferred temperature and you don't have to worry about anything that your roommates are doing.
What about referrals?
We love referrals.
He walks out of the bedroom and down the hallway.
If you move in and you know someone that would also love shared living at Westerly House, you can get a referral fee for them moving in.
That's awesome. Thanks, Josh.
He salutes us. Tall black and white apartment buildings surround an outdoor pool patio. Logo: Westerly House.